Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to visualize sales data in Tableau. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to visualize sales data in Tableau, first of all connect it to your data. Then you need to simply first of all open your Tableau software, and once you have done this you can simply visualize it. Now once you've first connected your data, you need to drag and drop fields like sales and dimensions, example reason or product, onto the row and column cells to create basic charts. So to build a dashboard, combine multiple worksheets and add interactive elements like filters and maps that act as filters, and use various chart types such as bar, area, and radial charts for different data breakdown. So by doing this, you can visualize sales data in Tableau. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.